Hi there. Hi, Obi. You're so cute. Say something for the camera. Talk. Talk? No? Okay. Yeah, and then I go over here. I had a box. And then apparently Obi did not like the box. Because if you pan down here, you can see thousands of pieces of the box. Like, this is not like even an accident. This is like, you can tell it's pretty fucking intentional. I mean, this is just like, yeah, he really fucking didn't like that box. It's like he just went through it like a wood chipper. Good going, Obi. Yeah, you're still cute. And I still love you.